Midjourney, the #1 AI art generator. Using this, you can generate fantastic images in seconds with a simple prompt. Let's see how to set up Midjourney perfectly. To run Midjourney, there's no specialized hardware or software is required, except Discord. Midjourney works directly in Discord. To get it, go to discord.com, then download it and sign in with few clicks. Then go to midjourney.com and click the sign in button. Then a pop-up like this asks for access to your Discord account created right before. Click authorize. Then to start generating image with Midjourney, you will need to subscribe to a plan. Get a subscription plan by clicking this purchase plan button here. I will tell you more about subscription plan at the end of the video. After getting the subscription plan, go to the home tab and click the join the Discord to start creation button here. Then automatically open the Discord and click the join Midjourney button. Now you have perfectly joined the Midjourney server. Let's see how to generate image with Midjourney. After joining the Midjourney server on Discord, you will see several channels listed in the sidebar. Select any channel named newbie and type /imagine in the message field. Type a prompt like this, then send your message. After submitting a text prompt, the Midjourney bot processes your request, creating 4 unique image options within a minute. But there's a huge issue. In the newbie channels, your images are generated as well as those of other users. While your image is being generated, other users' images are also shown like this. Then finding your image becomes difficult. To avoid this, we can send a direct message to the Midjourney bot and generate the image, instead of using public newbie channels. To do that, click on the Midjourney bot in the chat box or anywhere you see the Midjourney bot's name. Then send any message to the Midjourney bot. This will begin your direct message conversation with the Midjourney bot. To find your direct messages, click the Discord icon in the top left corner, then click the Midjourney bot. Now you can generate image here without any issue. Now type /imagine the prompt like this. Then send your message. It takes some seconds to generate image. And I will give you secret tips about making good prompts to generate unique and exciting images at the end of the video. Now you can see a beautiful image grid has been generated. And below that, you can see some buttons become available. First, I will take this button, the rerun button. By clicking this button, you can rerun a job. That means it would rerun the same prompt again and generate a new grid of image like this. Then we have upscale button as U1, U2, U3 and U4. The numbers indicates which image is on the grid. In earlier versions of Midjourney, these buttons were used for upscaling image. With the latest model, images are automatically generated at their maximum size. Now the U buttons help you single out your chosen image from the grid. Then the image variation button. The V buttons are used to create variation of the selected image. Each button generates a new image grid from the selected image. After single out an image, a wider range of choices become available. Using the variation strong button, you can generate new images that may change the composition, number of elements, colors, and the type of details within the image. Using variation shuttle button, you can generate variation that retains the main composition of the original image but introduce subtle changes to its detail. And about the variation region button, I will tell you in a minute. And then some buttons for zooming out your image. After that, by using these arrow buttons, you can expand the canvas of an image in chosen direction without changing the content of the original image. Then talk about some valuable commands we can use in Midjourney. Use the /info command to see information about your current, queued, running job, subscription type, renewal date, and more. To change the default settings, you can use /settings command. And first, with the model version drop-down, we can select the default Midjourney model version to use when generating image. Then we can turn the raw mode on and off. If you want to reduce the Midjourney default aesthetic, turn it on. Then we can choose what would be the default stylized parameter. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt but are less artistic. High stylization values create images that are very artistic but less connect to the prompt. Then you can toggle between public and stealth modes. Using stealth modes, you can prevent your image from being visible to others on the Midjourney website. But to use this, you should buy a pro plan. Then we have remix mode. I will talk about it in seconds. High and low variation modes to create high and low variation of a generated image using the V1, V2, V3 and V4 buttons under each image grid. Then you can toggle between turbo, fast and relax modes. With those, you can change how long it takes for your image generation. Remember, these settings are only default settings. If you want to generate with different settings, you don't need to use the settings command and change those settings every time you generate. You can tell specific settings to bot using prompt and parameters. Let's see how to do that. You can see your default version is 5.2, but if you want to generate an image with version 4, you can write your prompt and then type -- version 4 or -- v4 at the end of the prompt like this. And then if you want to generate with raw mode, you can type -- style space raw at the end of the prompt like this. And if you want to change stylize of your image, you can add -- stylize space value or -- space value at the end of the prompt. You must have noticed that every image generated so far is square shaped, which means the aspect ratio is 1:1. Let's see how to change this. After typing the prompt, you can add -- AR space and the aspect ratio you want, like this. You can see the aspect ratio is changed. And now let's see how to add negative prompt in Midjourney. Let me explain with an example. I want to generate this image without sky, so I added the same prompt with the press of without sky. But you can see in the newly created image, the sky is generated in the same way. The Midjourney bot considers any words within the prompt as something you would like to see generated in the final image. Prompting without sky is more likely to generate pictures that include the sky, because the relationship between without and sky is not interrupted by Midjourney. Use the -- no parameter to specify concepts you don't want to include like this. You can add many parameters to your prompt to tell the bot what specific settings you want to generate. Now I'm going to talk about variation region feature as I promised before. But before talking about that, let's turn on the remix mode by going to settings like this. I will tell you why I did that in a second. Now click variation region. With this, you can select and regenerate a specific part of an upscaled image. Choose the one of selection tool in the lower left of the editor. Then select the area of your image that you want to regenerate. And then type here what change you want in the selected area. This prompt box appears only if the remix mode is turned on. That's why I turned on that before. If you didn't turn on the remix mode, you can't tell AI what change you want in the selected area. Then click the submit button. You can see how cool it is. How to create a good prompt. The Midjourney bot works best with the simple short sentence that describe what you want to see. Avoid long list of requests. Instead of showing me an accurate picture of Mona Lisa, who in world famous painting works as a personal trainer in real, like a modern girl in Miami Beach at sunrise time. Try modern Mona Lisa works as a personal trainer in Miami Beach in the morning light. Concentrate on the main concept you want to create. The Midjourney bot does not understand grammar, sentence structure, or words like humans. Remove words when possible. Fewer words mean each word has a more powerful influence. Use commas, brackets and hyphens to help organize your thoughts. By going midjourney.com, you can see all your generations and download them. By going to the Manage sub-tab here, you can see your subscription details and you can upgrade those if you want. When it comes to subscription plans, I recommend the standard plan if you want to generate a lot of image with Midjourney, because the standard plans has unlimited generation in relax mode. If you don't like others to see your creation, you have to go with a pro plan. That is the basics about Midjourney. And in next few days, I will upload more cool videos about Midjourney and its secret features. So if you want to watch those, I suggest subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.